Oh yeah, Skyrocket 2 time. Let's go get on.
For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.
This was one of the original sections of the parkway back when the Busch Gardens first opened up with its beer factory. This area is sort of famous for water rides. We've had Flume here for near on 50 years. And actually where Tigris now stands, all the way up until 2016, there was a ride called Tanganyika Tidal Wave. A lot of that queue house still remains. In fact, the ride Tigris itself runs through an old section of that ride. That was a giant boat ride with a 50-foot lift. It was terrifying, but I loved it.
I love terrifying boat rides. I used to ride Perilous Plunge when it was at Knott's Berry Farm. It was a good one, terrifying. Oh yeah, we're gonna go check out some Tigris, guys.
You're gonna find basically one of these rides at every SeaWorld park with a different color scheme. Ours is a bit taller than the others.
The most recent one you're gonna find is Icebreaker.
Yeah, that one's a little bit different. Icebreaker is brand new this season.
So Tigris, you're gonna have as many as, you need at least 4 operators on this ride at all times. That means 2 people on platform, a height stick, and a panel. You can run as many as 4 people on platform at a time. That's 2 people in the front and 2 people in the back in a group. So you can have quite a few people on this ride, 7 sometimes if you want to run a group or not. As you can see, these white things right here, those are going to be your stairs. That's going to be your launching. They're going to launch you forward and backwards through the station as you're riding the ride. As you're going up, you're going to see the ascending vertical twist that goes right into the Heartline roll all the way at the top. Heartline roll is where it slowly rotates you around. Then you're going to go through your descending vertical twist into your 360.
This ride is a lot of fun. Love myself some Skyrocket 2s.
I've noticed there is quite a difference between some people that really love Skyrocket and some people that really don't.
It's like
there's like almost no middle ground. There's no middle ground.
It is a fun coaster. It's just a fun ride. It's just a fun, quick ride.
Actually, this was my first ride that I ever worked on for the Skyrocket 2. Actually, Tigris.
Love that.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
The comfort collars are a secondary thing that SeaWorld decided to put on the coaster itself. So that's why you'll also find it on Icebreaker as well. And much like Icebreaker, this ride does have a basement area where they do all the mechanical work.
Seriously, that was super awesome, guys, and thank you guys to Busch Gardens for doing this crazy cool tour today, and to Corey and to Stuart for taking time out of their day to show me a little bit extra of this amazing park. I mean, it's super awesome, and that really made my day. You know, you guys went above and beyond for that, and that was really cool. You know, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You know, I hope you enjoy the content of today. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe here on YouTube. And as you know, we're always going to go to another park. Every day, always. Anyway.
Hi, we're at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, and we subscribe to Pride Coastal Club. You should too.
Jump aboard, so club.